Last week, we announced our administration's efforts to ensure that all Utahns have a fair opportunity to get vaccinated. We really want our vaccines to reflect our population, and we want to make sure that we are not leaving anyone behind in vulnerable communities or vulnerable populations or hard to reach locations. And so we've been working really hard on that vaccine distribution roadmap to make sure that we're encompassing everyone. And that plan continues to be refined. This week we had stakeholders from our homeless, our disabled, and our rural communities that were involved in fine-tuning that roadmap as well. On Monday I had the opportunity to visit the Utah Refugee Center, to their vaccine clinic, and it was just really incredible to see people in action there and the hope that that is giving to our refugee community. There are a lot of barriers that we have to overcome. Those barriers can include language, they can include location, they can include religious preferences or other distrust of the vaccine or of government. There are a lot of barriers that we're working really hard to make sure that we overcome. And especially there at the Utah Refugee Center, folks are working really hard to make sure that people have good information, that they have good access to vaccines. And it was really incredible to see. And I personally want to thank them and everyone else who's working on this for their incredible efforts. This idea of protecting ourselves with a vaccine is also really important to understand that when we do that, we're protecting everyone. And so that is something that a message that we really need to get out, that when you protect yourself by getting a vaccine, it's not just for you, it's also protecting the community at large. And we hope that people will continue to get vaccinated as doses are available. And the governor will talk more about that